This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. First showings at Open House.Gated with more than 2,400 SF of living space and a low HOA fee, only $280 a quarter. This spacious two-story located in the quiet community of Carriage Lake. With living room and family room that opens to the large eat-in kitchen, generous pantry closet and laundry room leading to two-car garage. There is a half bath on the first floor and 2 full baths on the second floor. Spacious master bedroom with large walk-in closet, soaking tub, separate shower and double vanity. The secondary bedrooms, currently used as a project room and home gym, share the guest bath, and the second floor features a large open loft area, great for home office, playroom or many other options. Bring your pets, the yard is fenced. For more information, review the details below.